camera. How are you?
This is my new friend.
And what is your new friend's name?
Her name is Water.
Water. Well, it's nice to meet you, Water.
She comes to let me for a while, and I'll pick her up later off today.
Okay.
So where I can put her bag.
You can put her bag right over there by Grant.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Carson, you're funny. Hello.
Did Water have a great day?
Water had a great day, but you know she was sneezing. Is she sick?
No, she's not.
Oh, okay. Does she have allergies?
No.
Oh, what's the matter with her? Why was she sneezing so much?
She wasn't sneezing.
Well, she was when she was with me.
Well, she covered her mouth.
Did she cover her mouth?
See?
Oh, okay.
See? She covered. But that was all down because I don't think we're going. I think Water's not gonna come today.
Okay.
So she has.
Are you too busy?
Because she has a doctor appointment.
Oh, goodness. Why is she going to the doctor?
Because she has a doctor appointment.
Well, what's the doctor going to check?
She ate cards.
Disgusting.
So she
Carson.
has to go to the doctor.
Hi, baby.